So what I see here is the shine is not blinding. So I would not call it a gel. I mean, it's a very nice nail polish that lasted quite well, but this client she has normal nails, so they're not too brittle, they're not too flexible. So I'm not surprised that this has lasted, but yeah, the shine is not a gel. Let's just put it this way. It's a good polish, but it's not a gel. So this client also is a fan of very short nails. So I'll be honest with you, I'm going as short as I can because this area here, underneath here, that's hyponychium, and that's a seal. So you have seals here, you have a seal here, the cuticle creates a seal, and then there is a hyponychium. And the thing is, it's okay for the nails to be short, but you don't want to separate the nail plate from the nail bed, so you don't want to hurt that seal, because then you can end up with onycholysis, which then is difficult to correct. So if you like having short nails, I would suggest doing what the client is doing, basically shortening the nails every 3 days or something, and just maintaining that short length, because shortening them too much, it can be just a little risky. I actually just had someone in the comment section, she was saying that she shortened her nails too much and now her nails are separating. So I'm not sure if this is the case, or maybe she had allergic reaction to the nail polish or something, but that's what she was saying, and that can happen because of that. So it's important to just respect the seals. Okay, so I wanted to explain something. So this client, when she does her own manicures, she normally cuts the skin around her nails. And the last time she came in, we were trying the OPI nail polish. So the skin around the nails was a little bit inflamed, because that's what happens when you cut it. So I'm just very curious how she's going to like this manicure, because it's very different, obviously, without cutting the skin. And some people will like it and some people won't. And I don't judge here. Everybody has, the right to do whatever they want, and everybody has different taste. Personally, I don't like the look of the skin when it's swollen after it has been cut, but then some people find that it looks clean or something. I don't know. So So it's just, you know, preference. So we're gonna use our special Dior Nail Glow, and this is the last bit that I have, because the new formula is not as good. So I don't recommend buying the new one. A lot of people are complaining about it. They say it's peeling. I don't know why they would change such a good product, but they have. So there are other ones that I would recommend, and I have a video about it. So if you are interested, I'll link the video in the description box. But for now, we're gonna use our beautiful Dior Nail Glow.